How's it going, YouTube? Welcome to the House Money Investing channel. In today's video, I'll just be going over some of the some stock picks that I have, some stock news that I went over, and I did start buying back into the stock market today, which is, using my house money strategy, which is deploying money into the market, pulling out my capital and leaving my gains into the market. So I started back that. I've done it 3 times since June, and this is going to be my 4th time this year. So far, I've made over $12,000 doing this swing trading strategy that I have. Some of these posts are kind of, spread all over the place. So I'll just scroll through and show you guys. Here I just posted 3 stocks that should join the S&P 500 in my opinion, which are Zoom Communications, Lulu, and Square. All 3 companies that I invest into, for the long term and also swing trade. And we all know once something hits the S&P 500, the stock usually, goes up from there. And Square is at all-time highs right now, so it could definitely use some more momentum. This here is a screenshot from my stash account, which it's up $340.39. It's up 6.9%. Not a great percentage gain, but I do have like $1,900 worth of house money stocks, which is free shares, which is nothing but gains I got from swing trading. And as you can see, Baidu is my top holding. It's been blue chip for a while. But Baidu has skyrocketed off some automotive news out there in China. I invested $45. It's up 95%. So I'm up like $20 and some change on that play. And this would be it right here, to be honest with you. So as you can see, it's up a nice large percent. And this is also house money stock. What I did was swing trade this stock, and then I cashed out my principal and left my gains in there. So I left $45 in, and as you can see, it's just building position as time goes on, risk free. Then I posted the Indie Semiconductor announced today. They were going public through a merger, a SPAC, which is a special purpose acquisition company. Thunderbridge. In that deal, the value combined of the companies will be $1.4 billion. It provides up to $495 in cash to combine with the company. After this deal is completed, which is expected to occur in the first quarter of 2021, the company named Indie Semiconductors Inc. and will be listed on the NASDAQ under the ticker INDI. Indie is an automotive chip and software company that focuses on sensors for advanced driving systems like front-end collision, lane merging, signals, things like that. Basically, all the new cars have it. My 18-wheeler truck is a 2020. It has it as well. So this is an industry that's going to make money. So this is a SPAC to keep an eye on. And right now SPACs are just hot, especially ones that start around $10, because you can get your $10 back if you don't like the merger. So it's kind of a risk-free investment, or super low risk. If you get it around $10, your growth and your gain potential is super high, and your risks are super low. Then I posted a REIT, which is FRT, Federal Realty Trust. It's a lending shopping center REIT that is also a dividend king. Shares have recovered from its low that were here earlier this year, but they still trade at a substantial discount compared to how they were valued before the current pandemic. Shares offer an attractive dividend yield combined with more upside potential during the recovery in 2021, which makes shares attractive. So basically, this REIT, they do shopping centers. Of course, shopping centers are everywhere. They're popular. I mean, it's a good real estate investment. They're going to pay a nice dividend yield, so you're going to get a nice either monthly, quarterly, or annually passive income from this. I would drip those dividends so that it would reinvest back into the shares. But yeah, I mean, like most real estate, like most anything, was hit hard during the pandemic. So of course it's at a great value right now. And then of course for 2021, with the vaccinations and everything like that hitting the market and the stimulus, this REIT is going to bounce back. So I will be there to ride the gains. This is another post. I actually do own some of this company already, as you can see here, which I posted that I'm up 18.65% already, and this is before the bounce back. So you can imagine what my gains will look like. It has a strong balance sheet, high liquidity levels, which positions the company well to weather the crisis. It owns its own assets that will likely be in demand, which are the shopping centers, and of course it's going to have more upside in the future. So FRT is a good REIT. You can look into that. So that is a nice stock pick I have. And then I posted this Robo Taxi from Amazon, which is pretty dope. I don't know if I'll personally ride in one, but a lot of people will. I think they got some out. Well, they're not Amazon's, but China has some Robo Taxis already out. Of course, Tesla's coming out with Robo Taxis, so it seems like the new wave of the future is having Robo Taxis, which is basically taxis that drive you around with no driver. You know, it's basically a robot car, self-driving car, or whatever that'll drive you around, which is going to be pretty dope. Then I posted Wish IPO. This could be the last $1 billion IPO of 2020. So this is an IPO to look out for, the Wish. Of course, when most IPOs come out, initially there's a boom in the stock price. A lot of people are going to jump on it, and there's usually a sell-off after that. So if you want, you can get in at the beginning of the IPO, ride that roller coaster to the top, go ahead and jump off, and then bow back in after the dip, after it consolidates, after everything kind of like settles down. You know what I mean? Then I posted Wayfair. I was looking at the technical analyst of this company. It's in an uptrend, it's in like a wedge. So once it hits this reversal, I believe from the technicals, once it breaks the resistance at 284, I put a price target on it at $300, which I expect this to happen in about 1 to 2 weeks. So this is a nice little swing trade play you can jump on, or you can buy it for the long term. I would just wait for it to break that 284 resistance, and then from there it's gonna basically take off. I would sell out about $300 if you want to just swing trade it, just to play it safe. But that'd be some nice gains right there that you guys can jump onto as well. Then I posted a DQ, which is about to have a monster breakout as well. It actually was up 15% today. I posted this, so usually I wouldn't chase a stock. This one, just looking at it, it doesn't seem like it's going to really stop anytime soon. So like I said, you can go look at this stock, and I'm not sure what it did today. I didn't follow it today, but this is something I'm going to get into as well. Then I posted Shake Shack. I was looking at the merger for BurgerFi, and I kept hearing comparisons to Shake Shack, so I'm thinking, go ahead and give me some Shake Shack, swing trade it, and ride that wave of Shake Shack. Shake Shack is a very popular burger spot out there in California. Never really been to it myself. I do plan on, eating there one day and checking it out and see what the hype is about. But I'm pretty sure they're making money. So I'm gonna jump on that and try to swing trade it as well. Then I posted ELX Energy Sector. This is a energy REIT, which everybody knows, energy, renewable energy. It's the big craze of nowadays. And it's at 40. It was at 40.41. Once it breaks that 40.67 mark, it's going to have a lot of upside potential. So this is also something you can check out. Not too sure if it broke that today or not. I'll have to look back into it. But this is a play that you guys can get into and make some gains on as well. Then I posted SPR, Spirit Aerial Systems. And the trend pattern on this stock this stock is very bullish on the technicals. So this is one I'm gonna keep an eye on. This is something I'm gonna swing trade this month as well. Then a dark horse is APLS. This is a pharmaceutical company. With the vaccinations and all this crazy stuff going on, this company is gonna make money. So this is also one I'm swing trading my house money account, which is me putting money into it, waiting about 30 to 90 days. Once those gains accumulate, I'll take out my principal, leave those gains in the market, and let it ride out for the long term, basically on free stock, free house money. Then I got Target. This is a position that I own a lot of fractional shares in at different brokerages. I have about 10 or so brokerages for my house money channel that I just do house money trading in. So Target is one that I always swing trade. And I was just looking at the dividend score. It's got a safe dividend score. So this is something that I put on there for people that haven't been in the Target to let them know it's got a safe dividend. It's also a growth stock, so Target's a good position as well. Then this one, Match, which is like Match.com for the dating. I was looking at the chart on this one, and it's super stable. It's more stable than the S&P 500. So this is something I'm gonna get into, kind of as a safety play, something that's gonna grow over time, but isn't gonna lose much money. So this is definitely something I'm trying to acquire as well. Then you got Steel Dynamics. There's a rumor about this company that it's going to provide steel for the Tesla Cybertruck. So I'm going to keep an eye on this one. Keep an eye on the news. And if they're providing that steel for the Cybertruck, of course they're going to make a bunch of money. So this is one I'm going to keep an eye on. Watch the news. If that happens, then I'm definitely going to get in. Then I posted here, this was 10 hours ago when Bitcoin started shooting up. And this is from my Robinhood account. It's got Bitcoin, Ethereum, Bitcoin Cash, Litecoin, Dogecoin, Ethereum Classic, and BSV. And as you can see, you got the numbers under the ticker, which is the amount of coin I own. Anywhere from, Dogecoin I own over 24,000 coins. And Bitcoin is like not even a percent of a coin, but as you can see, it's up $90. So I'm up pretty good on these cryptocurrencies, which in Robinhood, you don't technically own these coins, but I mean that's cool because I can still sell it out at any time and lock in my gains. So this is something I add to every 3 months. I add to all of these coins, maybe $9 or so, something small. I just keep doing it over time. They are pretty volatile and stuff like that, but I do believe in Bitcoin. I'm a massive bull in Bitcoin. So, the little bit that I put in there at a time, it's going to add up over time. I mean, this thing is at all-time highs. It's at $21,000 right now. My first price target is $100,000. My super bullish thesis is $1 million Bitcoin. I mean, if this thing hits $100,000 and $1 million, I'll be in the top 1% just off of Bitcoin. And of course I have faith in all these coins. That's why I keep investing in them. This is my Bitcoin and my Cash App. This is about a $327 investment. As you can see, it's worth $1,109. This is when Bitcoin was just above $20,000. So off of $327, I've almost 4x my money. So very bullish on Bitcoin. This is my eToro account. I bought this back in September. I only invested $47 worth of Bitcoin. Whoa. Lost it. Well, that sucks. But yeah, I only invested $47 worth of Bitcoin. And it was at $11,000 then, and if you know anything about Bitcoin, it took a dip and then came back up. So at one point I was in the super red on this position, but as you can see now, I'm up 72%, $33. People keep saying it's too late to get in Bitcoin. It's too late. I keep buying it. I don't care about the price. It's going up regardless. And this is the one purchase I made this morning. I I bought a share of Hyliion in my Webull account for $16.31. I took a loss on Hyliion. Well, I'm actually taking a loss on Hyliion in my Fidelity and Ameritrade account. It's down, it's down huge. I bought it at the spike, and this thing has just been beaten down. Now, I do own some in my Robinhood account and other accounts where it's up because I got into it at a really cheap price. So overall, some positions I'm up, some positions I'm down, but this is going to be a swing trade for the house money account here, which I'll probably sell this in February or March, somewhere around there. So hopefully I can ride some gains for Hyliion. I see this as a bounce back play. They're providing, stuff for like the semi trucks to save fuel. They can retrofit any truck, and I mean, they're gonna save truck drivers so much money on fuel. I just don't see how this company doesn't make money, and I honestly don't see why it's beaten down so bad. But this is a bounce back play. I think it will bounce back. So of course I'm trying to accumulate more shares of Hyliion. This here is for Bitcoin. Hit $20,000 for the first time in history. So congratulations to all those that have Bitcoin, and we're just making money. Then this is my Robinhood account. This is all house money. I got $4,065.23 worth of house money, which is free share. These are all gains that I've swung trade since June, and that's also up another 22.8%, which is $735.39. Then I posted some more of the cryptocurrencies. I reposted them after getting some more gains. Bitcoin's up $93, Ethereum's up $76, Litecoin I'm up $67. Bitcoin's worth $11.24 now here, and then I'm up 74%, $34 there. These are some of my house money positions. This is all house money again, guys. This is stuff that I've swung trade, accumulated gains, and just was able to accumulate full shares of these positions. My biggest gainer is Spotify. I'm up 23%. That's $60.27. Spotify is a great long-term company to hold. I mean, it's going to be up there on the level with like Facebook. Then you got Square, who's dominating. Square, like PayPal, they're dominating that sector of the market. And Square owns like Cash App and stuff like that. They have a lot of the paying devices in like the smaller mom and pop places and stuff like that. And then Medifast, I'm up huge on Plug, which I'm very bullish on as well. Got some 5G plays. I got CIIC, which is a merger. So yeah, I got some nice gains there. Then this is that was my Webull. This is Cash App. These are all swing trades as well. Like for instance, Tesla, my biggest gainer. I swung trade Tesla a while back. Excuse me. My profit was $14. So this $14 that I got in Tesla right here has made an additional $85.85. So it's like worth like almost $14 turned into almost $100. So when I swing trade and my profit's only $14, people will think, hey, $14 isn't really much. But when I swing trade 400, 500 companies within, 2 to 3 month period, and I can make $1 to $14, or, sometimes it's been $80 or more, that stuff adds up. And this Tesla position here, these shares are so cheap. I mean, they're just going to keep riding up. Then you got Zoom, Caesars, Big Light, something a lot of people sleep on, Moderna, First Solar, Neo, Apple, Roku. And as you can see, I'm up on all of these house money positions. Then I posted some top gainer ETFs, some solar ETFs, some golds, retail bulls. So these are just some ETFs you guys can look into. ETFs are always great, safe plays. It's basically a basket of a whole bunch of different shares put in one. So if one of the shares in that ETF falls down, or falls like a rock or a falling knife, then you still got other stocks in that fund that'll hold it up. So it's a safer play for your money. So you can look at these tickers. I do own JNUG, the gold miners bull ETF. is something that I swing trade quite often. I think I may be swing trading tan this time around. So these are some ETFs you can look into as well. Then Chipotle, they got upgraded from hold to buy. The new price target is $1,500. Chipotle is also a great stock. It's something that I do own, and it's something that I will continue to swing trade and try to build my position in Chipotle. Then Fubo TV had some nice gains today. This is also something I've been swing trading, and this is a great new company that I see, making killer money. As you can see, it was up 12% today. Then just posted stuff about Bitcoin, and then these are some CEOs on their bullish thesis on Bitcoins. One guy said he sees it hit 60,000 by next year. Another guy says 318,000. Either one, I'll take it because I'm gonna make money with it. Then I just posted, some the coins that I have on eToro, like Bitcoin, Cardano, Ripple, which is XRP, Ethereum, Tezos, Stellar, TRX, Bitcoin Cash, Litecoin, Ethereum Classic, Zcash, EOS, and these are all coins that I was swing trading all these coins. I lost about $180, so I stopped doing that. I do own Bitcoin and one other coin in here, which, as you see, I got $120 worth. I'm only up 26%. The other coin that I have, the Bitcoin's up, of course, but the other coin that I have, which I believe is Tron, I believe. Yeah, it's down big. So, but I keep saving up money on the side, so eventually I'm gonna own all these coins in this app, and most of them I believe in, like Stellar, Ethereum, Ripple, Cardano, Litecoin, Bitcoin Cash, Ethereum Classic, Zcash, EOS are coins that I'm bullish on. Then I posted here for my Robinhood again. This was later on in the day, about 5 o'clock. The gains went up a lot more, up $768.28, up 23% on the past year, which is over double of the market average. So obviously the shares that I'm investing in are good companies because they're making money. Then I posted my crypto again. Now Bitcoin, I'm up $100 on it. So as you see, it keeps rising up. This is where it's right about $21,000. So 1163. Now up 80% here, up $37. Then my stash went back up some more, so I posted that. It went up to $343.22. It's up 6.97%. And Baidu is at the top of that wave. It's up 49.80%. Off $45, I made $22.41. So now it's worth $67.41. And that'll be it for the video today, guys. I will purchase 2 more positions tonight, and I will post those positions as I purchase them. So that's it for the day. I'll see you in the next one.